Hi, Yashro30 here. And as you can hear, there's construction going on in the background. Well, moving day is approaching really fast and I've packed all my The moving is happening tomorrow to my new place. God, that's annoying. Yeah, as you can see, I've got a box there full of stuff. There's a couple of boxes back there and stuff on top of that, including a hacksaw. There's a box down here. I've got to move that speaker. And the oil heater stone, because that's not mine, it belongs to the room. That LED light is mine, so I'm taking that. I'll just put the original crap one that was in the room to start with. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't throw nearly as much light as the LED one, but yeah, it is what it is. So it's a bit dark in here now, but it is what it is. Where can I stick you? Up my arse? No, I'll stick you in there. That'll be good enough. The fun of moving. Anyway, I'll pick this video up a little bit later. I decided to make a video because it might be interesting to some of you to see what's going on. Oh yes, mustn't forget my dog anus clock. Gotta take that with me. And also I cannot forget my bass guitar sitting in the corner of the room over there, or else I'm going to lose $460. Am I going to miss this old room? Well, no, I'm going to something better. I'm definitely not going to miss that gel cell bed thing there. It squeaks and makes all sorts of noises to buggery when you're turning over in bed. I'll demonstrate. You certainly wouldn't want to f*** on this bed. What the f***? That's what all the noise was. Putting in a new mixer shower. The old one was leaking. Well, at least in a new place I won't have to put up with leaking taps and showers and things not working properly. Right, I suppose it's now time to start loading the car with all my shit. Fun. Good morning. It's the next day. That's pretty much it for this load. I've got everything in there but the bass, the clock, and what was the other thing? Oh yes, the chair. Well, it certainly looks different in here and it echoes a bit now with nothing in here. Wow. It's empty for as far as the eye can see. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Goodbye, old place. And hello, new place. It's in a relatively quiet street too, which is nice. Okay, let's get this shit unloaded. This is the new room. That television is not mine, it was left for me, but it's a little bit more spacious than the other one. There's a reasonably nice view of the street through the window. It's actually a little bit brighter in here than the other one. The iris doesn't do it much justice though. That box was f***ing heavy. More heavier than I expected. I went to lift it and it's like, oh Jesus Christ. Yeah, and it was awkward. What's behind door number one? Reasonable walk-in closet basically. There's no shelving much though. And it's not bad. Oh. Hello. Now I have the fun task of sorting all this shit out. I don't have a bed yet. There is a mattress I can use here, a single one, but I might actually go get a blow-up one. But there's certainly quite a fair bit of room in here. There's even a nice picture on the wall. Huh, how lovely. Right, I suppose now to get started sorting this shit out, and I have to go out and buy some things. Fun. Alright, catch you in a bit. I'm getting there. Got the table set up, soldering iron, and stuff in cupboards. Bought this thing for $55 from Kmart, expensive for what it is. Anyway, it's a kid's storage container, there's no back on it, but it gives me some plastic drawers, tubs to put stuff in, like test equipment and other such junk. I've got an inflatable mattress that I'm going to put here on the floor temporarily, but that's still in the car. I'm going to have to go grab that. Some of the stuff's out of that box, most of it's going to stay in it. I'll just have to stick it in a corner somewhere out the way. Haven't really decided where I'm putting it yet. Well, it's a bed at least. It'll do. It'll do, donkey. It'll do. I'm not exactly touching the floor. Oh, that feels good actually. Got me a nice black coffee. I didn't buy any milk, but anyway, whatever. Still a nice view from outside there. Really nice. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, like it down below. Think about subscribing if you want to. I'm going to leave unpacking for today and just relax. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.